Happy iPhone Day, everybody. This is the biggest day of the year for me. This is the day that I wait 365 days a year for. We're going to be opening up the iconic, the legendary iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue, 1 terabytes. It's been an amazing year with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I've had such fun with this phone. It has been one of my favorite iPhones I have ever had, but it's time to level her up a little bit. And unfortunately, by leveling her up, that means by replacing her with the latest iPhone. I wanted to go with the blue color because unfortunately Apple forced me to get the blue color because there is no black iPhone this year. You get orange and you get blue, and blue, I mean, I had to get blue. I'm kind of tired of silver iPhones, quite honestly. Hello internet, how are you doing? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and today we are going to again be opening up the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm very excited for this phone. I know I clowned on the iPhone 17 a lot this year. I made a whole video talking about why I'm going to be skipping the iPhone 17, and look who's the clown right now because I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 17. I feel like I cannot skip an iPhone unboxing. I've been doing this the past almost, I think, 5 years now on YouTube unboxing an iPhone. So this is a tradition on my channel, so I kind of feel like I have to do it. Anyways, I'm rambling enough. I think we have to actually open up the phone now. So we have the amazing and the iconic pull tab. So we're going to start out with the pull tab. Oh, wow, that's a little bit like different. So we're going to lift her up. Oh, what? Girl. We always have issues opening the box. You guys look at it first. She's cute. Ooh, oh my God. Actually, I love this color so much. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I love this color a lot because it kind of has hints, little tiny hints of purple in it, which is quite nice, and like deep blue. Honestly, I was really shocked at the way the iPhone felt in the store. You do not feel the difference between the aluminum and the glass. It's like literally all one very nice finish. Apple, I'm glad you did that. Here she is, and she's pretty. Going to do that, and there she is, and she is thick. This phone is thick, as you can see. Wow, she doesn't feel bad in the hands. She actually feels really good in the hands, and she does not feel heavy. I was actually a little bit upset because I saw that this phone is actually heavier than the 16, so I was a little bit upset about that, but I really don't feel that much of a difference. And here's how we look together. Don't we look iconic together? Don't we look like a duo together? Look at us. It's very chunky, which is kind of upsetting, but that's why the iPhone Air exists. Might as well get through the rest of the box. First off, this is a different box design. Look at this. There's like a little like hump in the middle, and then there's a big camera holder. There is a cord in here, a nice braided cord, which is, I mean, she's nice, but like who? I don't care. Then we have paperwork, which unfortunately there's no more Apple stickers. Don't talk to me about it. I don't want to talk about how there's no Apple stickers, but there's paperwork if literally anybody cares. And that's the rest of the box. The unboxing part is over, and that's it. Oh, that felt so good. And here is the cleanest the screen is literally ever going to be. Here's my brand new iPhone, and I'm very excited. First off, let's do a montage of the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue. So we have a gorgeous and beautiful iPhone here, and honestly, I am very clumsy, so what better way to protect this gorgeous and beautiful iPhone than with the sponsor of today's video, which is Benks. So Benks actually sent me a bunch of accessories for the iPhone 17 Pro Max to check out. They sent me over the Azure Blue Grand Combo Set, and they also sent me their Glass Warrior screen protector as well. So let's first open up the Grand Combo Set for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So yeah, there's a peel tab back here, and then we open this up, and here is actually a very nice box, and inside of this great box you get a bunch of really cool accessories for your iPhone 17. So the first thing you get is a phone case and a phone charm. So here is the phone case. It's right here, and actually it looks perfect with the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this is the Armor Grid Armor phone case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and as you can see, it's very nice and also a very thin case. So here is the phone case right here, and as you can see, it actually looks really nice.
The case features flexure weaving technology, which is the traditional Chinese weaving. It delivers raised textures and structural strength and a refined tactile feel. And the case also includes MagSafe support for accessories. Built with 1000D dew point Kevlar fiber, offering a slim, tough, and lightweight design, featuring a raised volcanic platform design for a more secure and stable camera lens fit. There's also an excimer UV coating that's resistant to fingerprints and stains, while also adding durability and ensures a refined touch. And the case is impressively thin at just 1.15 millimeters and only 20.7 grams.
So here's the phone charm, and look at this color. It is absolutely gorgeous. And the cool thing about it is, again, you have this little accessory right here, so we can actually put this directly on our phone.
The braided charm features a durable and detachable lanyard design to keep your device safe and secure at all times.
So here we go. Here we have our little phone charm is on here. And honestly, this is actually a really great combination. I can definitely see myself using this a lot as a content creator because I'm always filming content, and having the extra assurance of having a phone strap is really, really cool. Also get an awesome phone ring holder. And here it is right here. It also comes in a nice azure blue color.
The Armor Pop phone grip / stand features an external magnetic core for MagSafe compatibility, allowing support for all angles with MagSafe compatible cases, and features an aramid fiber build.
But the cool thing about this phone holder is you also get this little kickstand right here. But not only just that, you also get this little phone grip. So you have this nice phone grip right here. You have a really, really nice combination for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this grand combo includes the phone case, includes the phone grip, and the braided charm as well. So you get all these great accessories all for one price on Benks.com, which is very, very nice. But I also got the Glass Warrior screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This screen protector is great. It's got a lot of nice features, including an easy screen applying kit. So I'm actually going to turn the camera on and put my screen protector on right now.
The Glass Warrior screen protector features sapphire coated durability, along with crystal clear clarity and a seamless touch experience. It features an easy installation kit that is built for daily protection. Sound XLR technology offers edge-to-edge screen protection without compromising the top speaker. It also features an ultra-thin 0.3 millimeter glass and is built to endure drops. This is the perfect combination of accessories for anyone looking for a stylish but protective case for their new iPhone 17. This combination of accessories offers full 360 degrees of protection of your new iPhone 17, so you can use it with confidence.
So if you also want the Armor Grid Grand Combo in Azure Blue for your iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Glass Warrior screen protector, you can use this code on my screen right now to get 15% off your checkout by using the first link in the description down below. Thanks again to Benks for sponsoring today's unboxing. So we're gonna set it up now and turn it on for the first time, but I just wanna talk about this. Do you see this? Do you see this? There's this little bar on the top of the phone now. I don't know how to feel about that. Anyways, we're gonna turn on the phone for the first time, so let's do it. Turn her on. Is there juice? There we go. There she is. There's the Apple logo, and we're gonna hope for a quick and easy setup. Today would be nice. Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh, that was hot. That liquid glass is hot. Here she is. Here's my new phone. So we are going to now swipe up, and we're going to speak English because the voices in my head do speak English. And we're going to do the United States. There's now a safety and handling information. Do you see that? What does that mean? Oh, okay, so now there's a bunch of warnings on the iPhone now. I guess someone in the government decided that we needed to have a bunch of warnings on the phone. My God, look at that. Anyways, who cares? We don't read the warnings. Appearance, so we're going to do the standard default appearance because I like to have a big phone. Quick start. So we're going to bring these two devices together, and now as you can see, set up new iPhone. We got to do the thing where we have this and this. We're going to, there we go. Now they're connecting, they're talking to each other, they're communicating their languages, their love language or whatever. Finish setting up on the new iPhone. So it's gonna take a few minutes to activate the iPhone. Okay, so there apparently is a software update, so we have to hit update now. Now we're gonna do Face ID. So let's do Face ID on the new phone. So we're gonna hit continue. Oh wow, that front facing camera. The front facing camera is clean. I'm very excited to set this up. And now first Face ID scan is complete. All right, now what we have to do is we have to transfer from iPhone. Transfer from another iPhone, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna transfer from iPhone. It's gonna take about 4 hours to transfer. Okay, let's do that then. I don't know what's going on. Guys, that took literally so freaking long. This took like 2.5 hours to transfer all my data from my old phone to my new phone, so now we can complete the setup process. So we have a little Apple logo here. Swipe up and we gotta enter my passcode in and restore completed. And oh, here's a little introduction to iOS 26. Welcome. Okay, now we can get started. And I'm in my phone now. Woohoo, okay. So now we are officially in the phone, and it's got to literally download all of my applications. I didn't download my applications. I don't know what's going on, but we're in here, iPhone 17 Pro Max is in the flesh. Very excited to now actually have this phone. So now let's actually get into kind of a little bit of a camera test of the new phone. We're gonna go into the camera. Oh, we got the brand new front-facing camera, which is quite nice. Wow, that's really, really, really high quality. And the coolest part about it is I can do a wide screen. Oh, I love that. That's actually really helpful. I like this because I have so much space on the side and we can go zoom in, zoom out very quickly. So this is quite nice. Let's take a picture and let's do that. Ooh. That is pretty freaking nice. And wow, this is really, really good quality. I am very, very pleased with the quality of this camera. This is like too good. This is way too good of quality. So now we're gonna test out the back facing cameras. We're gonna turn the cameras around and here is the camera. It's looking pretty cool, but the best part about it is now we have, oh my God, 8X, wow. That goes far. And here's 4X, here's 2X, here's 1X. And here's 0.5. So we're gonna take some pictures. So here's 0.5, here's 1, here's 2, here's 4, and here's 8. Wow, okay, this is a really, really good camera. The 8X zoom is just absolutely awesome. There's also supposed to be a new photographic style too. If we go into here, we go into styles. Here's bright. Okay, this is the bright style. So I think we're gonna choose this style. And that's quite nice. So this is the bright style. And also for video too, if I do it this way, I can record a video like this. This is going to be great for vlogging. Like, I love how I can vlog holding my phone like this and just looking at the camera like this. And this is such good quality. So that is the camera on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It is crispy, it is hot. Good camera, really freaking good camera. So now it's time to do the comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So here's how both of them look up side to side with each other. You can see the design difference is quite different. They're pretty much the same exact size. And here's how they kind of look like this way. And here's how they look from the front. So we're gonna kind of go over to my desk in a minute and show you guys how that looks. And they're pretty much the same. They're very similar thicknesses as well. Maybe this one is a little tiny bit thicker, but I will say right off the bat that this one feels a lot nicer to hold in the hands. Even though I do love the titanium on this phone, this just feels nicer to hold in the hands. It feels more rounded. It feels more ergonomical versus this one feels a little bit more boxy. So let's go over to my desk and kind of compare the two of them. Let's compare these two phones, the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max on the other side. So here's how they kind of look together. Here's how the screens look. The screens look pretty much identical as you can see, but if we go over here, this is where the main difference is. As you can see, the camera bump is literally freaking huge now, and the Apple logo is now lower on this phone. This has a full glass back versus this has half a glass back, and you can kind of see the differences. The black titanium one was a freaking fingerprint magnet, as you can see, but this blue one actually isn't that bad. And as you can see, the bottoms are pretty different too, and everything. They're pretty much the same identical screens. This one is a little bit brighter outdoors versus this one. Kind of differences between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the 17. My phone is completely set up. I have my screen protector on my screen, have my phone case on, and I'm super excited to use this phone, to review this phone, and to give you guys all of gossip on this iPhone 17. I'm very excited to test out all of the new features as well. Well, I forgot to actually film a proper outro clip for this video, so thank you guys just so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I'm very, very excited to use this phone and actually set this phone up completely and give you guys a what's on my iPhone video coming very, very, very soon. Be sure to watch out for that. And a huge thank you again to Benks for sponsoring this video. Again, if you guys do want the accessories that I mentioned in this video, you can use this code right here to get 15% off your purchase by clicking the first link down in the description down below. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are gonna be down in the description and down below and also right here. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.